Hello, this is Barry from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Here's a new video on Bitcoin. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin, of course, and we're going to see what's happening and what could be happening in the near future. So today we're just actually going to focus on the most recent price action, especially the one that, what happened in October and September, and we're going to analyze what we could expect and what could happen. So once again, so far my count is that we completed a wave 4 with pretty much 30,000, 28,000 lows, and that was possibly, I counted as a 5-wave move to the downside, and that is why I think that wave 4 was a flat, down in A, 3 was up into wave B, and then down again for wave 4. The alternate is basically we have a top here. So I'm actually gonna show you, let's see if I can find it. So basically wave 5 goes here, and then we have W, X, Y. So that's a wave 3, and that is a wave 4 of a higher degree. So 3 waves down into wave W, 3 waves up into wave X, and 3 waves down into wave Y. So either way, I think are valid, and I guess we're gonna see which one could be the more correct, but that's not really important for what we're doing now, because if I take you back to what I'm seeing, basically this from the lows on June 22nd, we've had a move up in 1, down in 2, up in 3, triangle in 4, and alpha wave 5 to complete minor wave 1. 3 with nice waves down into wave 2, and now, which is what I want to focus on today, is this move up. So this looks like a 1, 2, 3. We are now making positive wave 4, and then we could go up for wave 5 to then of course complete high degree wave 3. Now the thing is, and it's a big question, are these waves of this degree so that they complete wave 3, or should we move this 1 degree lower so that this wave 3 is going to go crazy to the upside? That's a good question. So what we do know though is, let me take you back. So if we measure wave 1 of minor degree, we want to compare wave 3 to wave 1, and equally a wave 3 is right here. So that's actually would be a quite interesting point where we could get a, let's say, resistance. We could find a resistance up here. I don't exclude that we go up with this wave 5 to 100,000, but it's more likely than we have 3 and 4, and then we could go up with wave 5 on 200,000, if not a bit more. 120, 130, I'm thinking about 130 as 13 is a Fibonacci number. So also, I look at counts throughout YouTube where you have 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, you have something like this. Let me hide this. So basically, you have, don't look at these waves. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 on the way of some degree, possibly minute. So that makes the next move to the upside much more aggressive, and it doesn't look appropriate to me. It's possible, it doesn't break any rule, but it's not my favorite option at the moment. So let's get back on what we were talking about earlier, and let's just focus on this move up, especially actually the most recent move down. So to do that, I'm going to take you to the hourly, and let's see what we can count. So what I want to say is if this initial move down was impulsive or not. So if it was 5 or 3, if it's 3, we know that most likely this is just a bullish correction, meaning that at this point this high is going to be broken. Otherwise, if this is 5, then perhaps we could have a larger degree in place. Sorry, a larger degree correction in place. So let's see. I see 1, 2, and then it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think you count possibly this as 5. 3, 4, 5. I think that could be one way to count it. So this of course would need to be moved at least 2 degrees lower. That's my bet. Or I think you could also count it A, B, C, even A, B, and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be again 2 degrees lower. Gonna make it black. A, B, C. And then now 5 ways to the downside. So long story short, what I want to see is this move down to get around here, around 55, 57, perhaps even 58. So a bit lower, and because of course if we draw this as an A, B, and C, I would like to see wave C being equal at least to wave A. So a bit lower here, and yeah, this would be quite nice, not gonna lie. I would also like to see RSI divergence if that happens. So perhaps tomorrow or Friday, if not the weekend, we can see something to the downside. But yeah, this pullback should be quite expected. I mean, we've been going to the upside for quite some time, so it's totally fine. I'm still bullish. I don't see any reason why we should change our bias. So that was it for me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like to let the YouTube algorithm you enjoyed it. And as always, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the next update. And all I can say is thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.